From the misty mountains of ancient Tibet to the modern kitchens of India, the tradition of the Momo lives on. For 1,000 years, this journey across the roof of the world brought sustenance and connection.
From the misty hills of Darjeeling to the bustling streets of our cities, the humble Momo has become a symbol of comfort and connection across India.
Where does the perfect Momo truly begin?
The journey starts in the vast wheat fields of India. We meticulously harvest the golden grains, which are then expertly milled. Sourced from the heartlands of Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, these premium grains are expertly milled into the fine, silky, smooth Maida. Make sure these onions go straight to the sorting area.
We need the premium quality cabbage up front.
We harvested the finest heads just for you.
They look perfect. We will take great care with them in the kitchen.
In Uttar Pradesh, our certified farms adhere to the highest standards, ensuring only the freshest, hygienic. From the vibrant heart of the Lucknow spice market, we source only the finest ingredients for our authentic momos.
The journey begins here, with meticulous quality checks and careful handling of all raw materials.
Freshly steamed momos ready now.
Brother, 2 plates of chicken here, please.
This is absolutely delicious.
And here it is, the secret to the perfect momo. Look at how juicy that filling is. The perfect blend of spices. A 1,000-year journey from the high Himalayas through the heart of Lucknow, culminating in this perfect, juicy bite.